So now you will remember the properties perfectly well. You have written only in symbols. Will you be able to express in the language? Who says this? You have written only symbols. Will you be able to express in language? Tell me how will you express in language -1 less than equal to 1 less than equal to 1? How will you write it in language form? No one should be prompting, otherwise you will write 7 times. How will you write this in language? See, the simple one only you don't normally express the others in language. Write in the language form 7 times again. Okay? Who says this? Yuvraj.
I do.
Who else had it? It's written in the book? Okay, no problem. So, what is the formula of rank correlation? R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma p square upon n into n square minus 1. One more question of that simple type we have to practice. But did you do in the homework all those questions where ranks are directly given? Yes. And the exercise questions you practiced in the class yesterday? Yes. And how to assign the ranks is also clear? Yes. Okay. So one more long question I'll take up, then we'll take up with few short questions today and different method also. So take out exercise 2, section F, question number 8. There is a last long question of this method we are doing, then we'll take up with short questions and the different method today. So this is the last one we are doing it. Exercise 2, section F, question 8. I am reading the question. Raise your hand. How will you express this? 6 dancers, A, B, C, D, E, F, in a dance competition were judged by 2 dance gurus. The ranks assigned to the dancers are as follows. Rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by Guru 1. B, F, A, C, D, E by Guru 2, F, A, C, B, E, D. Raise your hand. How will you express the things? That means A, B, so B number 2. No, that's wrong. Very good, correct. First you write the dancers A, B, C, D, E, F. Then see the ranks of Guru 1. Whom has he given first rank? B. So B will get rank 1. Whom has he given second rank? F. So F will get rank 2. Then third rank? A. So first we'll write the dancers and then we'll write the ranks given by the gurus on the right side. After that it is same as we did yesterday. So first write down, let rank by Guru 1 be, no, Rx. Now it's directly the rank. So Rx instead of X. Okay? Renu, can you come?
No.
Why absent for so many days? Who all were absent yesterday? Stand up. Renuka, Divyajit, why you both were absent yesterday? That you both were.
I went to Rajasthan.
We went to Rajasthan. Yes? Anand. What happened in Anand? Yes, silence.
सिस्टर को पिकअप करने गए थे हॉस्टल एंड
Okay.
Marriage.
Whose marriage?
Sister's marriage.
Rajasthan marriage. I hope it was not a child marriage.
No.
You are unmarried, na? Sure, na?
Yes.
One week, someone else's marriage.
Yeah, actually it was 2 marriages. There were 2 marriages.
Different people, na?
No. Yeah.
No. Valerie, what happened?
Yeah, I already told you on Saturday.
Ah, yes, you said the word. Shubhadra? Where? Shopping?
It is my mama's marriage.
Mama's marriage. How old is he? 28? Masi's marriage. Masi's home. There is the first home. Every day, first Friday you come here, then go on second, third, fourth homes. Yes, Neil?
Sir, not leave.
What happened? Headache. At the moment 5 o'clock comes, headache starts.
He was a parent.
Darshan? Sit down, both of you. You also sit down. Darshan? Out of station. Where? Rajasthan or Anand? Champane. Sit down. That is out of state. Champane is considered to be in Baroda. Yes? Kabaddi. Vroom. Actually, you were so many days out of station. First period today. Sit down. Yes? It was not morning 5 o'clock. It was evening 5 o'clock. Evening 5 o'clock, you did not wake up on time. What is it you are giving? These reasons will not be allowed next time onwards. Okay? Sit down. See that I have already announced it earlier. If any one of you are going to stay on a holiday and that too so long, then it should be informed in advance. Before going, you'll inform it to me, you'll take my permission. If I say yes, you can go, then only you'll go. Otherwise, cancel that. Okay, I'll let you know, are the things important, can you cover it or not? And if I don't give the permission, then you tell your parents to talk to me. If it is reasonable, then only I'll allow, otherwise not. So in 12th standard, any holidays are not easily going to be allowed. Is that clear? Coming to this, Guru 1 is 6. Now mark it as let rank by Guru 2 be RY. Yes, no discussions, maintain silence. Now, how we will give the ranks, understand it. First, write down the dancers. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Let it fast, everyone. Raise your hand who is still writing up till here. Now when you write rank of Guru 1, see that Guru 1 has given first rank to B. Do you find that or not? First rank is to B, so against B write 1. Then what is the next number?
F.
Which rank?
2.
So against F write 2. Then A is given third rank, so against A write 3. Then C is given fourth rank, against C write 4. D is given fifth rank, against D write 5. And E is given sixth rank, so against E write 6. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All are clear with it? Swara, RY.
A. F1.
F will write 1.
A2.
A we will write 2. Aryan further.
B4,
Why B4? First C3.
C3,
C3. B4. Then
E5,
E5. And D6. Did everyone understand this? Now same procedure as we did yesterday. So Krishna, what is the next step? How will we find D?
RX minus RY.
Yes, raise your hand. Who is still writing the values of Rx or Ry? Shall I proceed further? So, Shubhadra, tell me the values of D. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Did you understand this, everyone? Total must come
0.
If it doesn't come 0, there is some mistake. And don't directly write 0. Check, does it come 0 or not? Means our purpose is to know if there is any mistake or not. See this just now. Raise your hand, how many of you directly wrote 0? How many of you have directly written 0? No one of you. Liars. Negative is 3 and 1, 4. Positive is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Are you all clear with this? Now what we need is d square. So, Mewari
1 9 1 1 1
and one more.
14.
Yes. Any confusion in this?
No.
D square, Brooke. Understood this? D square? 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, all ones. Okay, now we will apply the formula of R. So, Rushil, what is the formula of R?
1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n minus n into n square minus 1.
Yes, all of you have written it 20 times?
Yes.
1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. So, now substitute the values. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. See here we have done as 14 upon. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So upon 6 into 6 square minus 1. Did you all understand this? Then one check.
1 minus 84 upon 6 into 35.
36 minus 1. So 1 minus 84 upon 6 into 35. 1 minus 84 upon, is it 210? 1 minus 0.4. So 0.6. What do you say about 0.6?
Moderately high.
Moderately high. Write down. Who else is solving this? Thus there is moderately high degree. Thus there is moderately high degree of positive correlation between rank of Guru 1 and Guru 2. So, any confusions? All are clear with it? Still, one more question of assigning the ranks I'll do, because yesterday I had to leave half the way. So I just want to make sure that everyone is clear with that. Okay, then some short questions you'll try on your own. So one more question of that kind we will do. Page 112. Question number 4. You can see it's on rank correlation. Page 112, question number 4. Look at it. A merchant wants to study the relation between prices of tea and coffee in Ahmedabad city. He obtains the following information about prices of tea and coffee of the last 6 months. Price per kg for tea is given, then price per 100 grams of coffee is given. So here we will denote RXRY or XY? Here we will denote X and Y, and here assign the ranks. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient between price of tea and coffee. Rank will always be mentioned. If not mentioned, then you have to find Carl Pearson. Keep it in mind. Okay. So first write down the values of X and Y. This is exercise 2, section E. Question number 4. Let price per kg for tea be X, and let price per 100 gram for coffee be Y. So first we'll write the values of X and Y. 340, 370, 450, 320, 300, 360, and by 190, 215, 200, 180, 163, and 175. Raise your hand who is still writing the values of x and y. All have written it? X and y values. I repeat, this particularly will be helpful for those who were absent yesterday. It's very simple and you'll also be able to understand it. So those who were absent yesterday, understand it properly. Khushali, tell me the values of Rx. How will we assign? All of you see here, is 450 the highest value or not? So that you'll give first rank. Normally as you get the ranks in the school, highest marks first rank, that way. 450 is the highest values of first rank. Got it? Yes, Father?
370 second.
After 450, 370 is the next highest number, second rank.
360 is third.
360 is third.
344.
344,
325th
325th,
and 306.
and 306. Very good, sit down. Anyone who is not clear with the rank assignment? Those who were absent yesterday, stand up. All of you are clear with rank assignment? Jinal, tell me for y. Who will get first rank?
300.
Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile was that? Strictly it should be off in the class. No one's mobile should be on. Okay. Jinal, first rank who will get?
215.
215. Second,
200.
sit down. Vrund, third.
190.
Sit down. Karnik, fourth.
180.
Sit down. Darshan, fifth.
175.
Sit down. And Vallavi, sixth. Yes, all of you sit down. Everyone is clear with assignment of ranks? Any confusion? All are clear with it? Can you do it further on your own? You have to find d square and apply this formula. All of you? After finding d, verify does it total come 0 or not. So continue on your own. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. Who all are still solving this? Raise your hand. All have completed? Look at exercise 2.3. Page number 100. Question number 7. I am discussing it and you will be doing it on your own. Page 100, question number 7. Exercise 2.3, question number 7. 10 contestants. Rina, what is 10? 10 is n. Okay, 10 contestants, so n is equal to 10. Are ranked in a Desai, we did a beauty contest by 2 judges. And yes, Neil Desai, the sum of squares of differences in their ranks is found to be 214. What will you say? Is 214?
Sigma is square.
Yes, sum means sigma, square means square. And what do you mean by differences in the ranks? D. So sum of squares of differences in the ranks means what? Sigma D square. Any doubts in that? That is given as 214. So can you directly apply the formula or not? What will you put in sigma D square? 214. In place of n? 10. Solve it on your own. So minus 0.3 means what will you write? Low degree of negative correlation. Write that statement. Exercise 2, section B, question 10. question 10. Last short question, then I dictate the homework for this type of questions and we'll take up with the next time. Raise your hand. What do you mean by this sentence? If the value of n into n square minus 1 is 6 times the value of sigma d square. Raise your hand. What do you mean by this? No discussions. If you know, raise your hand. Don't talk in between. I want your mind's answer, not others' mind's answer. Shushti?
n into n square minus 1 is equal to 6 sigma d square.
Yes. N into n square minus 1 is equal to 6 sigma d square. Read that once again. If the value of n into n square minus 1 is 6 times the value of sigma d square. That means n into n square minus 1 is 6 into sigma d square. Raise your hand who did not understand this language. Then find the value of r. Simply apply the formula and substitute that. Let r equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. Raise your hand. What next will we do? Khushi?
Raise the value of n square minus 1 as 6 sigma d.
Yes. In n square minus 1, can I substitute 6 sigma d square? Either you do that or in 6 sigma d square you substitute n into n square minus 1. Vanshi, did you understand? Yes? Because you are not attentive. Stand up. Why should I explain everything 2-3 times? Because you are not attentive. Listen carefully now. Next time 10th question 10 times. In place of n into n square minus 1, either we will substitute 6 sigma d square or in place of 6 sigma d square we will substitute n into n square minus 1. It was so easy. If you are attentive. Keep standing. So 1 minus 6 sigma d square. Yes, Vanshi, what will I write in the denominator? n into n square minus 1. In Hindi, what do we call this guy? Bhains? Still you did not understand. What will we write in place of n into n square minus 1? 6 sigma d square. Yes, Vanshi, next step. Then what will remain? 1 minus 1 or 1 minus 0? Very good. Sit down. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now 0 means Saloni. What will you interpret? Saloni. Yes. No correlation. No marks. Shubhadra. No linear correlation. Don't write no correlation. You need to mention the word linear. Other type of relationship is possible. So right means in correlation. Thus, there is no linear correlation between two variables. So all are clear with this type of questions? Now note down your homework. Homeworks. Did I give you any homework yesterday? Yes. Very good. So just tell me if it's not repeated again, okay? First note down the illustrations which you will be doing in homework. Did I give you illustration number 17 in homework? Yes. 16 was given? Yes. 17? Yes. 18? Yes. 19? No. So illustration 19. 20 was given? Yes. Exercise 2, section Exercise 2, section C, question 13. Section D. Now question 12 and 13, but both I am discussing. Be attentive. Look at question 12 of section D. The information based on the basis obtained on the basis of ranks given by 2 judges to 8 contestants. Disha? Page 111. Question number 12. The information obtained on the basis of ranks given by 2 judges to 8 contestants. What is that?
8 is N.
N. Of a dance competition is given below. So dance competition. Sigma Rx minus Ry square. What is that?
Sigma D.
Yes, what is Rx minus Ry? Unlike Rx, R minus Ry, above that write D. So what is this 126 directly sigma D square? So is that also similar to short question or not? Directly you have to apply the formula. Also look at question 13. The ranks given by 2 experts on the basis of interviews of 5 candidates for a job are 3, 5, 5, 4 and up till 4, 1. Raise your hand. What does this indicate? Raise your hand. Manshik.
X, Y.
Means 3 is X, Y is 5. Again 5 is X, 4 is Y. Wrong. Krishna. Directly Rx and Ry. Manshik and everyone underline ranks given by 2 experts. Directly the ranks are given. First is the rank of X and second is the rank of Y. So Rx values are 3, 5, 1, 2, 4 and Ry values are 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. And then you apply in the same manner. Then section E. So this is your homework for tomorrow. Now we take up with the next concept. How to solve a question when there is a tie between the ranks. Is it quite possible that 2 people get 90 marks? Yes. Or even 3 or 4 or 5 people get same marks? Here we say there is a tie between the ranks. Up till now we have not done any such question. Every number was appearing only one time. But now we take up with the questions where there is a tie between the ranks. Give the heading in your notebooks. Here I'll explain the concept and only one question will be able to solve today. So tomorrow we will solve 3 questions more in the class. One again I'll explain tomorrow, one I'll ask you and one you'll do on your own. So give the heading ranks with tie. Three steps are to be understood here. First, you may write it along with me. Assign the average rank. Now understand this. And ask me if you are not clear, I'll explain it again and again. Because when I solve it, then I'll be asking you and you must be able to answer. Suppose Ravlani gets 90 marks. First rank. Shivang gets 85 marks. Second rank. But Rushil and Dave both get 80 marks. Is it a tie or not? Yes. Ravlani gets 90. Rank? Shivang? 85. Rank? So can I say that there is a tie between 3rd and 4th rank? Yes. Any confusion in that? No. The rule is assign the average rank. 3 plus 4? 7 divided by 2? 3.5. Rushil also you will give the rank of 3.5. the way also you will give the rank of 3.5. Assign the average. Raise your hand who wants to repeat. Highest marks 90 first rank. Next highest marks 85 second rank. But next highest 80 is scored by 2 people. So after second rank, which are the next 2 ranks supposed to be? Third and fourth. And there is a tie between them because 2 people are getting 80 marks. You cannot give third rank to both of them. Okay? Charles Edwards pyramid does not allow it. It is his rule that you have to give average ranks. So when there is a time, third and fourth rank, what is the average rank? You will give 3 plus 4, 7. 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Rushil also 3.5, Ravi also 3.5. Raise your hand who is still not clear with this. All are clear? Now, Darsh scores 75 marks. He will get which rank? 5th. Which ranks did these 2 people cover? 3 and 4. So what is the next rank you will give to Darsh? 5th, not 4th. Able to understand it or not? Which rank was covered in finding the average? 3 and 4. So after that, which one you will assign? 5th. Now, Jeete gets, what was your marks? 75. Jeete gets 70, Hed gets 70, and Ishan also gets 70. Raise your hand. How will you assign the average or calculate the average? Vrinda. What was the rank of Darsh? 5th. So, 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 3. Correct. Very good. So now, did you understand it or not, everyone? Here, Darsh was given 5th rank. So if after that 3 people are getting same marks, then there is a tie in which ranks? 6, 7, 8. Average only find 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. And 3 people, so 21 divided by 3, 7. Jeete will also get 7th rank. Hed will also get 7th rank. And Ishan will also get 7th rank. Is everyone clear with this? And then after that, Divyajit scores 65 marks. He will get which rank? 9. Yes. Which ranks were covered in finding the average? 6, 7, 8. So 9 rank. Raise your hand who did not understand this. So first step is clear how to find average ranks. Now second step. Whenever you find average rank, error comes. Error is involved. So we need to find the correction factor. How to eliminate that error? We need to find the correction factor. So we will find correction factor, which is denoted as CF. But it is not cumulative frequency. What is this CF? Correction factor. How do you find the correction factor? Is M cube minus M divided by 12. What is the formula of correction factor? M cube minus M upon 12, where M is equal to, in fact, correction factor is sigma M cube minus M upon 12, where M is equal to number of repetitions of observations in a time. What does M indicate here? Number of repetitions of observations in a time. And what is the formula of CF? Sigma M cube minus M upon 12. Means Rushil and Dave. How many observations were there in the time? 2. So you will do 2 cube minus 2 divided by 12. Number of repetitions of observations, 2 observations. Then Jite, Hed and Ishan. Jite, Hed and Ishan. How many observations are there in a tie? 3. So now how will you do it? 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. And then it's total. Sigma. Did you understand this? So whenever there is a tie in ranks, simultaneously when we are solving the question, these workings will be done along with that. We'll find correction factor. And how do you find that correction factor? Sigma m cube minus m upon 12. Any confusions? And then we will apply the formula 1 minus 6 in bracket. Up till now we used to do? Now you do sigma d square plus CF. This is the only addition. Plus correction factor. To eliminate the error, we will do plus correction factor. Divide by same n into n square minus 1. No need to write this 20 times. It's the same formula. What is the only thing you have to add in bracket plus? So no need to write. With practice, you will automatically remember. Useless things I will not give you to write. Unnecessary where it's required, then only I will give it. So this formula you already done. 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. Just remember in numerator further we have to add C. And this is how we find C. Understood this everyone? So look at question number exercise 2.3, question number 5. Up till 4 we had done yesterday, right? Only one question will solve today and 3 more questions will practice tomorrow to understand this, okay? This can come for 5 marks. Other questions say 3 marks only, but this can come for 5 marks. Look at question number 5. From the following information of, yes, we did it, heights of husband and wife, calculate the rank correlation coefficient between their ranks. So here we have to assign the ranks, or are the ranks directly given? Assign. Okay, Pooja and Amruta, don't talk in between. Right, let heights of husband be x, let, yes, height of wife be y. Now write the values of x and y first. 156, 153, 185, 157, 163, 191 and 162. Here there is no repetition. But in the other one it is there 154, 148. While writing itself, try to analyze where do you find the same number repeated. So when you assign ranks, it will help you. 162, 157. See 162 comes again. 170 and see 154 also comes again. Got it everyone? Now this workings we have to do simultaneously. So below this we will do the working of this correction factor. 4 columns will be required here. First, ranks with tie. Second column, average rank. Third column, m. Fourth column, m cube minus m upon 12. Okay, this working will be done simultaneously. Means, whenever you come across a tie, first do the working, then write the ranks. Whenever you come across a tie, first do the working, then write the ranks. Got it everyone? In X there is no tie, so we can write it directly. Raise your hand who is still making that CF columns. Okay, have it? Raise your hand who is still making the columns of CF. Shall I proceed with the ranks? See, X we can directly proceed. Renuka, tell me all the ranks of X.
191 first.
191 first,
185 second.
185 second,
163 third.
163 third,
162 fourth.
162 fourth,
157 fifth.
157 fifth,
156 sixth.
156 sixth,
153 seventh.
153 seventh. So this one is clear to everyone? Any confusions? Who are writing with RX? Still raise your hand. If you are writing, raise your hand because RY, otherwise you will not understand. Everyone has written that? Should I proceed with RY? Now be attentive. This I'll explain completely. Highest value in Y is 170. Mark it as first rank and it's not repeated. It's appearing only one time. Did you write that? After 170, which is the next number? 162. But when 62 comes two times? Yes. 170 we gave first rank. So there is a tie in which ranks? Second and third. Ranks with tie, write down 2 and 3. As I said, when there is a tie, first we have to make the workings. Did you write this? How will you find average of this?
3
2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. Any confusion? Raise your hand who did not understand this. How many observations are there in a tie? So M is 2. Now do it. 2 into 2 into 2 minus 2 divide by 12. Raise your hand who wants me to repeat that 0.5 as it obtained. 2 cube. M cube. So 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Minus M2. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 divided by 12, 0.5. Is everyone clear with that? Now, which rank we have to give? Average rank? So both the observations 162 write 2.5. Got it everyone? Now see which ranks are covered here. 2 and 3. What is the next rank you will get? 4. After 162, which is the next number?
157.
But we will give 4th rank to 157. Who is not clear by 4th rank? Raise your hand. Which ranks are covered in 2.5? So after 3, which rank will come? So 162 is the number. Next 157 will get 4th rank. Anyone not clear with this still? After 157, which is the number?
154.
But that again comes 2 times.
Yes.
So after 4, there is a tie in which numbers?
5 and 6.
Workings again 5 and 6. 5 plus 6? 11 divided by 2?
5.5.
How many observations are there? So again it will be 0.5 itself, no need to count it. 2 means it will come same 0.5, no need to count it again. Got it everyone? So what ranks will give to 154, both the numbers? 5.5. Valerie, what is the next rank we should give now?
7.
Yes, 5 and 6 are covered here, so next we should get 7. 7, 148 will get 7. Now the procedure is same. What is this total of m cube minus m upon 12 coming to? That is correction factor. As I said, what is correction factor? Sigma m cube minus m upon 12. Got it everyone? Now let us solve the question. D equals to Rx minus R. When I am solving it fast. 6 minus 5.5, 0.5. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2.5, minus 0.5. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2.5, 0.5. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 1.5, minus 1.5. Positive is 0.5, 1.5, 2. Negative is also 2, so 0. Verify that, don't write directly. 0.5 square, 0.25. 0 square, 0. Again 0.5 square, 0.25, 1 square, 1. 0.5 square, 0.25, 0 square, 0, 1.5 square, 2.25. So 0.25, 7534. The total is 4. Any confusion in this? Now we will be applying this formula. Formula will slightly change in bracket sigma d square plus CF. Okay? So R equals to 1 minus 6 in bracket sigma d square plus CF upon n into n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into what will we write in place of sigma d square? 4. In place of CF? 1. Upon what is n? 7 observations are there. In bracket 7 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into what is 4 plus 1?
5.
What is 7 square?
49.
1 minus 6 into 5?
30.
49 minus 1?
48.
1 minus 30 upon 7 into 48? 3?
36.
36. 30 upon 3, 36?
0.09.
So 0.91. High degree of positive correlation between height of husbands and height of wife. Get that statement. More practice on this we will do tomorrow. Okay? So when it is a tie, all of you are clear how to do it. This can carry 5 marks. This can be a 5-mark question in exams. Okay? So that is your homework for today, nothing else. This will practice more tomorrow. Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Tomorrow 5:15, okay? Those who have missed the classes, joined late, past lectures, all can cover it up. So you contact me and let you know what time we will come and cover it up. Keep it on odd days because already 5:15 you come next day. So when you have to come 6:30, you can come earlier cover it.